We've then got some rows of foxgloves, so we've got some peach coloured ones and some white coloured ones. We've then got some wild carrot and a row of alliums, some purple sensation ones. On this side we've got potatoes, we've got a red variety and a white variety. We've then got a section of onions. We've then got some direct sown carrots, which is starting to just pop up at the moment. We've then got a row of directly sown lettuce, so we'll be thinning both those out soon. This section is earmarked for sweet corn, as well as probably a row of courgettes and marrows and that sort of thing. We've then got the cage, and in here so far we've got some purple sprouting and some lettuce. Finally up here we've got some trial sweet corn just to see whether or not it was going to get eaten. We've got 5 more rhubarb plants, and then we've got a whole patch of autumn fruiting raspberries, which we're going to be weeding tomorrow, and these are absolutely delicious, so something to look forward to later in the year. And that's our allotment.